Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to the channel. It's Terry here, your truth-seeking friend. Subscribe to join the truth-seeking tribe. Ever wondered what sneaky secrets are hiding right under your nose? Today, we will examine the shocking truths tucked away in your everyday household items. Grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about your humble microwave. Did you know that most microwaves have a hidden filter that you're supposed to clean? Yep, that's right. It's called a charcoal filter, and if you've never heard of it, you're not alone. This little guy helps keep your microwave venting properly. But if it gets clogged, it can reduce efficiency and even affect the taste of your food. So next time you're reheating last night's pizza, give that filter a check. Now, onto your kitchen sponges. These colorful little scrubbers are basically bacteria hotels. Studies have found that they can harbor more germs than your toilet seat. Gross, right? To keep things fresh, zap your sponges in the microwave for 2 minutes every few days. Just make sure they're wet first to avoid any unwanted fires. Moving on to your trusty hairdryer. It's not just for good hair days, folks. Most hairdryers come with a lint filter that needs regular cleaning. If you've noticed your dryer overheating or shutting off unexpectedly, chances are it's clogged with lint. Take a minute to clean that filter and your hairdryer will thank you. Let's not forget about your tap water. Many people think their water is perfectly clean, but there are often hidden contaminants. Investing in a good water filter can make a world of difference. You'll not only taste the difference, but also protect yourself from harmful substances like lead and chlorine. And here's a fun one: your mattress. Did you know it can double in weight over 10 years? That's because it accumulates dust mites, dead skin cells, and sweat. Regularly vacuuming your mattress and using a mattress protector can help keep things clean and extend its lifespan. Lastly, let's talk about your phone's charging cable. You know, the one that's probably fraying at the ends? Those exposed wires can be a fire hazard. Instead of buying a new one, consider using heat shrink tubing to reinforce the ends. It's a cheap and easy fix that can save you money and keep you safe. So there you have it, guys. Some surprising secrets hiding in plain sight around your home. Stay curious, stay safe, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed uncovering these hidden truths with me. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.